What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'll show you how to change your Roblox username. Let's start. First, open your Roblox app and log into your account. Next, click the three dots icon or more button located at the bottom right corner. After that, scroll down until you find settings and click on it. In here, click the account and locate your username. Now click on the pencil icon beside of it. Note that you need 1,000 Robux to change your username. So if you have enough Robux, just click buy and change your username. If the username is available, just click confirm and restart the app. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.